Hey guys, today I want to show you on how to factory reset a Galaxy tablet. It will work for any Galaxy phones too. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna press and hold the power button and the volume button down. You press and hold. Alright, let me show you the screen now. So when you see the screen black, let go the volume button down and press the volume button up. Keep pressing it until you see the recovery logo there. There you go. I pressed it too long, so let me try it again. Power and volume button down. Alright, and then you let go and press the volume button up. There you go, right there. You're gonna see the Samsung logo. And then you're gonna see the recovery right here. So we're gonna go down to wipe data, factory reset, and then we select with the power button and go down to factory reset, data reset. I hope you can see it there on the screen, and you're gonna press the power button. And you're gonna press the power button again to reboot the system. So here we go, guys. Let's see there, system is rebooting. So this will take your tablet to like when you got it brand new. So it will not remove the Google account. If you have a Google account on it, this is not going to remove it. So this is just for factory reset. If you're having problems, like if your tablet is freezing up or anything else, you can do this and you might fix your problems. As you can see, this is a T-Mobile tablet. Let it boot up and you just do your setup. It's normal. There you go, guys. That's how you factory reset a Samsung tablet. Thank you. See you next time.